Success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Headlines of the Day. In this video, we are going to discuss important headlines of the Hindu. And our first important headline is Student enrollments in higher studies rose by 7.5% in 2020-2021. All India Survey on Higher Education Data. It is available on page number 1 and year related paper 2 education section. In this article, we have to know findings and suggestions of All India Survey on Higher Education. तो दोस्तों, it was released by Ministry of Education and it showed a 7.5% increase in students enrollments across the country compared to 2019-2020, right? Our next important headline is in Narega reforms, prioritize the worker and her dues. It is available on page number 6 and year related paper 2 welfare scheme से. In this article, we have to know about Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, its progress, issues and suggestions. दोस्तों, MG नरेगा को हमारी वेबसाइट पे बहुत ही अच्छे से कवर किया गया है एंड लिंक अवेलेबल करा दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में. उसके अलावा कुछ पॉइंट्स आप यहाँ से भी देख सकते हैं. बाकी अगर हम ओवरव्यू देखें तो द मैंडेट ऑफ द MG नरेगा इज टू प्रोवाइड at least 100 days of guaranteed wage employment in a financial year to every rural households whose adult members volunteer to do unskilled manual work. Our next important headline is revisit the tax treatment of tobacco products. It is available on page number 6 and year related paper 2 health section से and paper 3 economy से भी इसको लिंक कर सकते हैं. In this article we have to know what is an economic burden and healthcare expenses due to tobacco use, current GST system for tobacco taxation in India, issues linked to it and what lies ahead. So friends, tobacco use is the cause for nearly 3,500 deaths in India every day, which impacts human capital and GDP growth in a negative way. And current GST system for tobacco taxation in India has features that are hindering efforts in regulating consumption. Therefore, both the GST Council and Union Budget should take the opportunity to significantly increase the taxes on all tobacco products through hikes in excise duties or compensation cess, right? बाकी अदर पॉइंट्स के लिए यू कैन गो थ्रू दिस आर्टिकल एंड एक लिंक भी प्रोवाइड करा दिया गया है दोस्तों, तो आप वहां से भी कुछ पॉइंट्स देख सकते हैं. ठीक. Our next important headline is India's call to modify Indus Water Treaty. It is available on page number 8 and year related paper 2 international relations से. In this article we have to know what is Indus Water Treaty, what are some of its key provisions, why is India seeking its modification and way ahead. तो दोस्तों, इसको हमारी वेबसाइट पे रिसेंटली बहुत शानदार तरीके से कवर किया गया है एंड लिंक भी अवेलेबल करा दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में. बाकी कुछ पॉइंट्स आप यहाँ से भी देख सकते हैं. बाकी अभी न्यूज में इसलिए है क्योंकि रिसेंटली इंडिया हैज इशूड अ नोटिस टू पाकिस्तान सीकिंग मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ इंडस वाटर treaty that governs sharing of waters of 6 rivers between both the countries. ठीक. Our next important headline is command posting for women officers in the army. It is available on page number 8 and year related paper 1 women empowerment से and paper 3 defense से भी इसको लिंक कर सकते हैं. In this article we have to know what do command posting mean, what is the process and what is the way forward. तो दोस्तों, इसको भी हमारी वेबसाइट पे रिसेंटली बहुत अच्छे से कवर किया गया है एंड लिंक भी अवेलेबल करा दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में. बाकी अभी ये न्यूज में इसलिए है क्योंकि प्रोसेस फॉर सिलेक्शन ऑफ वुमेन ऑफिसर्स टू कमांड असाइनमेंट्स इन द rank of colonel has been conducted. This flows from the Supreme Court judgment of 2020 upholding an earlier judgment granting permanent commission as well as command posting to women officers in all arms and services other than combat, right? Our next important headline is Dementia, the nature of the disease and how it progresses and ways you can help others. It is available on page number 9 and year related paper to health section से. In this article we have to know about dementia. तो दोस्तों, इसको हमारी वेबसाइट पे बहुत अच्छे से कवर किया गया है एंड लिंक भी अवेलेबल करा दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में. उसके अलावा कुछ पॉइंट्स आप चाहें तो यहां से भी देख सकते हैं. Our next important headline is Sub-categorization Committee for OBCs gets 14th extension. It is available on page number 10 and year related paper 2 Polity and Governance. In this article we have to know about Justice G. Rohini Commission, its objectives and progress. So friends, recently President of India has extended the tenure of the Justice G. Rohini led commission for sub-categorization of other backward classes for 6 months till July 31st, 2023. बाकी फ्रेंड्स, इससे रिलेटेड कंटेंट हमारी वेबसाइट पे भी अवेलेबल है और हमने लिंक अवेलेबल करा दिया है. ठीक. Our next and last important headline is India has done well in terms of aggregate growth over the last year. It is available on page number 11 and year related paper 3 economy section से. In this article we have to know how is India's economy doing at the moment and why economic growth matters. So friends, in this article it has been highlighted that in terms of aggregate economy measured by GDP over the last year, India has done fairly well, especially in context of current global situation where several advanced economies are on the brink of रिसेशन, राइट? एंड बाकी अदर पॉइंट्स के लिए यू कैन गो थ्रू दिस आर्टिकल. तो फ्रेंड्स, आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक्स फॉर लिसनिंग. फॉर रेगुलर अपडेट्स यू कैन फॉलो अस ऑन वेरियस सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स.